Welcome to Beauty for the Win. This is a video of how I do my eyebrows at home. I don't go to a salon for my eyebrows. I've always been doing them by myself at home since I was probably about 13. I've been doing them for a while now. What I do is I get Veet wax strips, and these are the ones for the legs or the body. I don't use the eyebrow ones because I find that you're getting the same thing, but you're getting a smaller package and you're getting smaller strips and a lot less. So I just go for the box that's about this big by Veet, and it is the leg strips. Okay, they last literally forever. Then you will need some scissors for cutting them to your desired length and shape, and of course some tweezers to get those extra hairs that the wax is not going to get. Last thing is a really good oil for your eyebrows. My favorite is, I'm almost actually out of it, it's castor oil. Castor oil helps to grow your hairs thicker as well as better hair growth in general. So there's some spots that I was lacking in hair and they have grown back significantly because of the castor oil. First things first, I'm going to cut out my strip. Everybody's eyebrows are different. Everybody's going to shape them different. Your eyebrows are not twins, they're sisters. So they're not going to be identical, but you want them to be as similar looking as possible. So I'm just going to go closer to the camera here. What I like to start off with is right here. And I kind of just place it without getting this part. Be very careful not to get that part. Okay, smooth it down. I smooth it down, and then what I do is I take this finger and I pull the skin. This is going to help really make sure all those hairs are grabbed. And then I keep holding down that skin and rip. Now I'm going to do the other eye. Same thing, same place. Smooth. Pull the skin so it's nice and tight and rip. If there's a little bit extra, not a big deal, just take your strip and just in that spot just gently pull. Next is under here. See under here? And get a little bit over here too. Pull, rip. And you're going to keep doing little thin strips all along this area, and when it's done we will go on to the next part. Okay, so I have done all underneath here, right here, okay, under here, here. They're looking pretty good, but now I'm going to have to do the middle part and the top part. This is pretty easy. I've cut my strip with the little tear piece. This is a good tip. Blow warm air from your breath onto it to loosen it nice and easy, okay? Now I'm going to line it up where I want, making sure not to get anything here. Okay, you don't want to take too much eyebrow off, just the strays. Okay, smooth down, pull, and rip. And if you have enough stickiness, do it again in the middle. And over here, being sure not to get the wax too close to the eyebrow. Okay, and there we go. For the upper area, I like to use a very, very thin strip, because if you take lots off here, it's just going to start regrowing really high up. So I always like to do a thin strip. I'm going to show you here. Okay, line it up starting here, and then I just go just slightly above the eyebrow, like that, and the other side. And follow the shape of the eyebrow. Okay, just have a look where you see the thickness. It's a little bit thicker down here. I can see that, so I'm going to take a little bit off here with a small strip. And like I said, just keep doing this until you can very small. You don't want to go overly crazy, because it's very easy to thin out your eyebrows too much, so just do teeny tiny strips. Not only that, but if you're a little bit worried about taking too much hair off, you can also do the tweezing part, which I'm going to start doing now. So if there's any hairs that are just little stray hairs, you can start tweezing them now. Okay, here's the final result. The redness has gone down dramatically because I used this little freezy packet. These are actually for the under eyes, but they're very convenient for when I do my eyebrows, and I kind of just do this, hold it for a little bit at a time, and then lift, and it helps so much to get rid of the redness and any type of swelling. So now that I've done that, I'm going to go in with my castor oil. I just do a little pump. That's more than enough. And I just slather it on there in the middle, on top, on the brows, just like all around the area that was done. And there you go, that is how I do my eyebrows at home. Hopefully this video helped a few of you out, and now you can do your own eyebrows at home.